WRP 0207, Section 1, Joanna Marie Rivera, 2022-01-617. Complete outfit. So hello po, good day po. I'm Joanna Marie Rivera, a student from Far Eastern University, and this interview is for academic purposes only. So our topic for today is all about physical activity and lifestyle. And I'm really excited kasi makakausap natin ngayon ang isa sa mga youth athletes from Nueva Ecija. He's a basketball player for the Sangguniang Kabataan Provincial Cup, and he achieved a lot, including most valuable player, Mythical 5, best player of the game, and he was also the captain ball of the recent champion holder Team Sampaguita on the recent SK Basketball Cup Interporoc Junior Division. Aside from being an athlete, he is also a fourth-year criminology student and really active in living a healthy lifestyle. So let's all welcome James Carlo Batum. Hi po, kamusta po kayo?
Hi Jo, okay naman. Thank you for having me.
So thank you rin po for joining me here kahit virtual lang. Ayan, ready na po ba tayo for the sets of questions?
Game.
So okay po, so first question, ano po yung mga physical activities na madalas niyong ginagawa regularly?
Mostly basketball talaga. Kasi yun yung sport na passionate ako. Pero kapag walang game or training, nagjo-jogging din ako or nag-workout para ma-maintain ko yung strength and yung stamina.
Wow, nice. So what keeps you motivated naman po to stay physically active?
Una, syempre yung passion ko sa basketball. Gusto ko palaging nag-i-improve and malaking motivation din yung mga teammates ko and family and most especially my girlfriend. And bilang student, importante na rin yung physically fit talaga.
Tama po, kailangan din physically fit sa course ninyo. Pero syempre, may challenges din, di ba? Ano po yung mga challenges na na-experience niyo sa pag-maintain ng routine ninyo?
Para sa akin, time management talaga. Kasi minsan sabay-sabay yung schoolworks, training, and tournaments, nakakapagod minsan, both physically and mentally.
Gets ko po yan. So, paano niyo po na-overcome yung mga challenges na yan?
Disiplina talaga. Gumagawa ako ng schedule para mabalance ko yung studies at training. And syempre, enough rest. Kailangan din magpahinga para hindi ma-burnout.
Tama po yan. Next po, what strategies do you use po para maging consistent sa workouts or training ninyo?
I set goals every week. Like I'm improving my shooting or endurance. Nakatulong din na may mga teammates ka talaga na consistent din kasi nagtutulungan at nag-encourage kami sa isa't isa.
Ang galing naman. So far, ano po yung mga benefits na napansin niyo sa pagiging physically active?
Ang napansin ko, mas lumakas ako physically, may mas stamina ako, and mas nakaka-focus ako sa school at sa laro. Nakakatulong din siya sa pagbabawas ng stress, lalo na kapag busy sa academics.
Totally agree po. So, how do you usually incorporate physical activity sa daily life ninyo?
Ginagawa ko siyang part ng routine. Kahit walang training, nagja-jogging ako, nagdi-dribble sa bahay, or plancha. Parang habit ko na talaga siya.
Nice! So, last question na po. Ano po yung may papayo niyo sa mga gustong magsimula maging physically active?
Start small lang. Huwag agad pilitin ang sarili. Piliin mo yung activity na gusto mo talaga. Kung saan ka masaya, doon ka mas magtatagal. And always be consistent kahit konti lang per day.
So, thank you po. Ang dami na natutunan po from your answers, especially about discipline, consistency, and passion sa ginagawa. Thank you so much po for your time and good luck sa studies and sa future games ninyo.
Thank you rin, Jo.
And that ends our short virtual interview about physical activity and lifestyle. Again, this is Joanna from FEU. Thank you everyone for listening and see you next time.